All right, another quick update. We're waiting for our new rotary hammer to show up, our mini jackhammer. But in the meantime, I don't also see we've put up a little bit more sun cover here so we don't get quite so baked by the sun. One of the neighbors lent me this hammer. This is like a masonry hammer, I guess. This is a Power Fist. This is from a great Canadian North retailer known as Princess Auto. One of my faves. But this thing is an absolute beauty. This was, I don't know, 2 minutes of bang. I found, like, with the chisel and the hammer here, not nearly as good as this thing. So if I'm just using that pointy end, look at that stuff. Just breaking right up, you know. Oh, oops, sorry. Gotta move the camera where I'm going. So that's just, that's real good. Cracking it right up. Anyway, that's a lot of progress in a short period of time. So now we get some helpers coming to help us get all this garbage out of here. It's garbage day, so we're going to get as much of this junk out here as we can.
Hello!
Oh, there's the helpers. Awesome, dude. Good work. Oh, yeah, good job. Action, Hudsy.
Hi, everybody. I've just pulled out this giant piece.
Yeah.
I'm keeping this in so I can take it out all out. So, taking it all out.
Awesome job.
So, have a good time.
Have a good time. Yeah, we're having a good time, aren't we? Another progress update. We found a pretty big hole. And, yeah, that tool's working pretty well. Yeah, you're doing a great job. Look at these kids, man, working hard. Good job. All right, folks, a little update here. End of another day of chipping. We got a lot of holes. We got a lot of holes on the floor to patch. Do a quick count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, the big one, 13, 14. Probably 20 to 25 holes to patch. But we're gonna do one more check. Tonight, once the sun goes down, it's a little cooler. We'll drag the walls again and the floor, see if we've missed any spots. Mark them for tomorrow. One last chip out, and then hopefully tomorrow we're ready to put in our first patches and give it a shot. More to come. Hey everybody! So it is the next day, and you'll see we've done a little bit more chipping. So. My wife came out this morning and did the old hammer test, and we found quite a few spots that either we missed originally with our sound tests. You see we got the pink chalk going, or have like expanded, maybe because we've opened this up. Now a little bit more of this has become delaminated. I'll talk a little bit about this more in the waiting episode. It is important to wait for our patches to fully cure before we paint anything over them. So then that I've learned takes 28 days. So that definitely is an impact on the project timeline, but we want to do this right. I'd rather be out of the pool for an extra month now than having to do this again real soon, have the paint fail, anything like that. So we're gonna make sure we wait the appropriate time. But the other issue with waiting is that, like, as the pool is dry, it is more likely to delaminate more because the water's not in it, providing that defense against the hot weather outside and the sun, I guess. So, like, it is. Man, we got a mouse in the pool today too. It's kind kind of weird. He's just hanging out. I don't know if he fell in there and hurt himself or what, but he's still moving around. Yeah, it's kind of a bit of a catch-22 because if we hang out and wait the whole 28 days for it to cure fully for our new patches, say I patch this hole right here and all the other ones that are open right now, but then, you know, in that month something else delaminates and I come along with my hammer here and I'm like, oh, I need to have a new hole right there, then I've basically reset my timer for another 28 days, and this could become an endless loop of just patching and, you know, eventually never being able to paint. So anyway, we're going to evaluate that a little bit more as we go. But yeah, I think this will potentially complete the delaminating episode. And I think it's 2 parts now anyway, this delamination. We're going to chip out the rest of this stuff. Maybe I'll try to get you one final clip of where we feel like we're totally done with the delamination excavation here. But we're also at the same time, we're going to start at that end and start patching. Mickey the pool mouse.
Yeah.
Trying to get him out.